immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring tales of conservation success from around the globe. Venture into the heart of the Amazon, where innovative initiatives have seen a resurgence in the population of the majestic jaguar. Or perhaps journey to the icy realms of the Arctic, where tireless efforts have helped the iconic polar bear thrive in the face of adversity. Marvel at the story of the American bison, once teetering on the brink of extinction, now roaming freely in their thousands across vast plains. Delve into the enchanting tale of the Arabian oryx, brought back from the edge, now gracing the deserts of the Middle East with their elegant presence. These are the victories we celebrate, the triumphs in the face of adversity that fuel our hope for the future. Conservation success isn't just a dream, it's a reality we strive for every day. Let these stories inspire and motivate you. Remember, every act of conservation counts towards a brighter, more sustainable world.